What's up guys? You're seeing this video because you're either going to know how to do a 5 stance or a 7 stance horse squat. One of the reasons why we want to use this is to develop a lot of mobility and flexibility in our hips, and also for some people you might want to squat relatively wide. So how do I find my 5 stance? Feet together, one step with your toes, heels, toes, heels, toes. So look at my feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When I'm here, feet at 45 degrees. They're not pointing straight ahead or out to the side. They're at 45. I'm pressing my big toes down and I'm pressing my heels down at the same time, pushing the ground away from me. I want to arch my back, stay nice and tall, and then I want to squat down as far as I can. So side on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, here, toes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Big toes down, heels down, press the ground away, sink into quicksand with your feet, arch your back, stay nice and tall, and then you're just going to squat down as far as you can, keeping a nice strong position. For, of course, as many repetitions as your program says. From there, when you load it up first and foremost, you're going to start with a very light weight. So you probably have a goblet position with a kettlebell or a dumbbell. You're holding that to your chest. As you're getting stronger and more flexible, you have 2 options. The first one is to continue to hold it here, which will put a bit of a limit as to how much you can lift down the track. Or what you could do as well is to tie a belt, a weight belt or a jiu-jitsu belt or something similar around your waist, tie that to the kettlebell or the weight plate, and then squat up and down like a belt squat. Of course, you could also possibly put a barbell on your back as well if you have access to that. So that's how to do a 5 stance. The same goes for a 7 stance. I would just move my feet 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a lot wider. You can see that the carpet is sliding me apart. But from here, you will do the exact same thing. Just remember, when you come to your 7 stance squats, you want to make sure that you drop the weight a lot. It doesn't look like there's much of a difference, guys. It's only 2 steps, but we're looking at about 20 to 30 centimeter difference in terms of width. That's going to put a very, very different strain on your hips. So that's how to do a 5 stance. Of course, if you have any questions, you know how to contact me.